Welcome to Creating with Mimi. Today we're going to be talking about cocktail tables, coffee tables. I will be sharing with you designer tips to decorating your cocktail table and giving you that high-end look on a budget. First off, let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the cocktail table. Choosing the right coffee table for your space. I've shared a video about this cocktail table, which was a dining room table. I wanted the size. I wanted a marble table with elements of wood, and this is what I was able to locate. Usually we find ourselves with a cocktail table or a coffee table that we either are too afraid to deal with or decorate it, or it's covered with a bunch of junk or things that don't bring us joy. So today we're going to be talking about different elements and tricks that you can use putting together your cocktail table. One of those elements would be the rule of threes or the rule of odd. Basically, it's placing together items in sections of threes, fives, any odd number. With this particular transitional table element, I put together 3 shiny objects, reflective objects against the marble table, added some floral treatment on the left side of the table. Keep in mind this table is fairly large. It's about 7 feet in actual length, and it will house and hold a lot of items. With this next look, I'm choosing an element that I want to pull the table together, and I'm creating texture with this item. Still using those rules of odds and threes, but I do want to give it a different look just in case you get bored. These are items that I'm pulling from around the house and I'm placing them together. It was from a haul that I did some time ago from Home Goods, and these are some of the items that I picked up. 2 of these lanterns on the cocktail table, and then I'm going to elevate one just to give it a little bit more interest and texture, and then I'll bring in a 3rd basket, which is a different size, and it creates more interest. I'm switching out the pillows because I know that I'm going to bring in a few elements of black, and I don't want the pillows just to be on the background, so I'm going to bring in black on this table. And the black on the pillows with the white, it pulls everything together. Not only do I have texture, I have interest, candlelight, which is a natural element, greenery, and then black is purely just for that accent flavor.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'm
With this next look, I'm going to keep the lanterns on the table, but I'm going to bring in just a little bit more white. Baskets that I have all around the house, different type of texture, more interest, and then I'm going to place a little bit of green, that California leaf with white. The white breaks it up so that it's not too much green. Topiary balls. We all have tons of these balls around the house, and if you don't, you can pick them up at Home Goods. Just the white vase alone on the table around the balls, it just breaks it up and it creates texture and interest in the space. You'll notice that I removed the black pillows because I just wanted to be that California breezy, cozy environment. With look number 4, I brought in the black again, and then I added some statues. These were so reasonable. It's just a silhouette. It adds black to the space, a little bit more texture, and I ground it with the Tom Ford book. When you look at this bowl, gorgeous. I love texture. If you haven't noticed, for those of us who get bored very often, texture keeps interesting and it keeps the space so that when I'm looking at an individual piece or a section, I'm interested because of the different textures. I'm just placing the bowl on the table, few elements just to bring some height, but I'm keeping everything pretty much light and minimalist. I'm bringing in a little green because green is fresh and it just adds in a lot of texture elements. For this last look, guys, I'm switching out the pillows again, and keep this in mind. These are just small things that I'm doing to change the space up, but I'm bringing in these branches, and you guys know I love to work with branches. These are all natural branches, and it has a beech wood that contrasts against the dark table. It complements the legs that are on the table, and I'm just gonna lay them like so, position things around them. My grounding and focal point are the branches. The branches is what's going to be the most interesting element to this table. Enjoy the video. Let me know which was your favorite look. Leave me things that you're doing to your space in the comment section. Until next time, make every day a great day. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.